I realized my design had a flaw because for the oil filter you're gonna require a wider thing to collect the oil, so all you have to do is just add cut a wider bottle, gallon, and put on top of everything, and you should be fine to do the oil change. I'm gonna take this off and see how it works. It was on really tight. Now I'm gonna try to take it off without making any mess. I'm gonna see if this design will work. I think I gotta use two hands. I gotta hold this. So I'm gonna pause the video and show you while it's in process. Yeah, I'm using two hands now. As you can see, start dripping down. Trying to make sure there are no mess here. I'm gonna finish taking it off now. Yeah, I kind of make a little bit of a mess. It kind of drip on my hand, but it's not too bad. But I like the way this can hold the oil filter so that it can finish draining. So it came out pretty good, better than last time. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.